In today's video, I'll be showing you 3 different websites whereby you can make your first $500 online as a Gen Z. This video is focused on helping people to start making money online. So if you are out there, you are looking for how you can start making money online, then I would advise you to grab a jotter, grab a pen, and see this video onto the end, because I'll be going deep into this website. I'll be showing you how you can do this and you can make money starting this January in the year 2026. With that being said, let us go deep into the video. Alright, so the first website we are looking at is Surveo. I'm just going to search it on Google so that we can get it. Alright, Surveo, by the name Surveo. Alright, now as we search it, it is the first website on the screen, so we are just going to click on that right now. Alright, as you can see, this website will pay you up to £8 per survey. Alright, and they will either pay you either by bank transfer, either by Amazon or by PayPal. I want to believe that many of you are seeing this video from Nigeria, so definitely you can use bank transfer. But if you are not in Nigeria, maybe you are in South Africa, you can use PayPal. And if you are from other countries aside from Africa, you can use Amazon to get paid. Alright, this survey platform works very well in Nigeria, and as you can see, it's already bringing out the price in Nigeria. So let's get down to the question. How does this platform works? The first thing you are going to do is to register for free. Anybody who is asking you to pay them to register on this website for you is trying to get money out of you, and you should be observant about that. Alright, now you are going to register for free on this platform, and every day you come here to check if you have a new survey to answer. Alright, you answer surveys and you get paid. Alright, for those who don't know what survey is a place whereby you give your opinion and they pay you for your opinion. There is no right and there is no wrong answers. Whatever that you answer, you will be paid for it. Alright, and then the next step is for you to pocket your money and treat yourself better. Alright, this works in over 197 countries. Like I said before, it works globally, and they have over 34 million users. Alright, so now everything you need to do going forward is for you to click on the free registration button at the top of the screen, just like this. So for the sake of this video, I will just click this further for you to see the requirement you need to register. Alright, it says how much would you like to earn each day. Let's get up to 35,000 naira, up to 70,000 naira, 70,000 naira more. Okay, let's just click this for the sake of this video, and you can see they are only asking for your last name, your first name, your email, the password you want to use, and the country you are from. Alright, so you can just register correctly on the site and click on continue, and that will be all on this website. You can start getting survey tasks to do, and you can get paid into your bank account. The second website we are looking at is Survey Llama. So I'm just going to enter that into the screen right now. Survey Llama. And as you can see, it is the first website it brought out to us, right? Now we are going to enter into this website and see how we can make money with this website. From what you can see on the screen, you see that it says earn up to 3,500 naira per survey from home, take paid online survey and earn up to 150,000 naira per month. How for each completed task, for each completed survey, you will receive points that you can convert into cash. Alright, for this platform, they are going to pay you either via Amazon, PayPal transfer, or by other gift card depending on your country. But if you are seeing this from Nigeria, I doubt that you will be able to get paid by this website. But they are available to Nigerians, just that the payment issue might be a bit technical. However, if you have PayPal transfer, if your PayPal is working, you have PayPal that is working in Nigeria, you can definitely use this website to actually make quick money for yourself. Alright, so how do you get paid? How do you register on this website? We are going to see that in the frequently asked question, which is, by the way, at the bottom of the screen. Alright, so let's click on the frequently asked question. Let me just move this away. Alright, these are the frequently asked question. How do I register on surveynama.com? It is very simple. You are just going to click on the sign up button at the top of the home page, something that is here. Fill out the form with your email address and password. Confirm your registration by clicking the confirmation link sent to your email. Now, is the registration free? Of course, the registration is completely free. Nobody should demand money from you before you can register on this platform. Alright, why hasn't my account been activated? You can only activate your account when you have confirmed the link sent to your email. If you are conversant to how this website works, whenever you sign up on them, they are going to send you a confirmation link to your email. You click that link and it will open your account. By this, you have activated your account, and definitely you can start participating in survey and getting paid. Alright, another question says, how do I participate in survey? It is very simple. All you have to do is to log into your account, go to access survey section, click on the survey to start answering. Alright, how long does a survey take? Survey duration vary between 2 and 45 minutes depending on your complexity. Alright, this is to tell you that if you are using laptop and you are choosing something that is way more beyond what a phone user can do, definitely your survey time will take longer than a person using a phone and doing simple tasks. Alright, but the more complex your survey is, the more reward you will get. Alright, so I would advise that you take the longer surveys. Alright, why are some survey not available for me? Certain survey target specific profile based on your age, location, or interest. Now, if you are from Nigeria, I would advise that you don't declare that you are Nigeria. For this platform, just say that you are from the US and everything. Alright, and choose something that is very fascinating, something that is very interesting, so that you can get survey that will pay you good sum of money. Alright. Now, reward and payment. How am I rewarded for completing surveys? After completing a survey, you earn LP, exclusive reward point, on surveynama.com. This LP can be accumulated and converted into gift cards and various brands including Amazon, PayPal transfer, and much more depending on your country. This is what I've said before. What are LP points? LP points are reward you earn for answering survey question on surveynama.com. This is just like their platform currency, and it can be converted to cash whenever you want to withdraw. Alright, what is the minimum payment threshold? The minimum payment threshold 2,000 LP. And what are the available payment method? Like I said before, PayPal, Amazon gift card, shopping vouchers. And how long does it take to receive my payment? Payments are usually processed within 1 to 7 business days. This is from Monday to Friday. Alright, Saturday and Sunday are not business days. Monday to Fridays are business days. Alright, and survey issues. I didn't receive my LP point after completing the survey. What should I do? You have to check your survey history, ensure the survey is marked as completed. As you can see, this is in quotes. If your survey is not marked as completed, then you are not going to get paid for the answered survey. Alright, so make sure it is tag completed in your account. Wait a few hours. Some surveys require validation before LP points are credited. This means that the company that you have sent your opinion to, they have to confirm your opinion. Then this, when they confirm your opinion, that is validation. Alright, before your LP points are credited to your account. If the issue perceived after 24 hours, then you can contact their support team with details of the survey name, your ID, and the date and time of participation. Alright, why was I disqualified from a survey? The answer is that you may be disqualified for several reasons. This is profile mismatch, inconsistent responses, or quarter field. This means that you didn't complete the survey, or your responses are very inconsistent. Alright, so your profile is not looking like a real person, so you must make sure that your profile looks very, very valid and authentic. Alright, tip: fill out your user profile accurately to receive survey tailored to your criteria. Alright, so everything you have to do is to just read the frequently asked question, and when you are done reading it and you understand it, you can just click on the register button at the top of the screen. Click on it like I do right now, and you are going to input your name, your password, confirm your password, and then you are going to click on continue. Alright, and with this your account will be created and you'll be ready to get paid with survey websites. Our last website for today is Timebox. We are just going to input that into the search bar, and then it is the first website that it brought to us, Timebox. Alright, this is a very, very legit website that you can use to get paid from home as someone wants to make money with survey. Alright, as you can see on the screen, this is very legit. You can see the review section here, and you can also watch videos and get paid with this platform. But out of experience, I will tell you to not declare that you are Nigerian with this platform. You can just use proxy to register on this platform. Alright, it supports Nigeria, yes, but still use proxy. Still change your location to the US. Alright, if you want to make good money with this platform. Alright, let's go to the frequently asked question. Alright, and then we are waiting for that to load. So the number first question is the basic rundown of Timebox. Alright, Timebox is a great way to get paid for doing simple tasks online. In this article, you will learn the basic of what you can do to start earning money today. Alright, I'm not going to read all of this because of the time. I don't want this video to be too long, but I would advise you to go through this frequently asked question. Alright, so you can know how this platform works. Alright, so these are everything you have to read. I would advise that you read everything, like this one that says, why are my earnings so low? Alright, let us read this for the sake of this video. Your average earning on Timebox greatly depends on the number of factors, such as your country. This is why I say you should not use Nigeria. Nigeria is a low earning country. Alright, so if you use Nigeria, your income will be low. But if you are in the US, for example, or in the UK, you are going to make good sum of money with this platform. Alright, such as your country, the device you are using, and how long you have been using the site for. The longer and more often you are using the site, the more likely you are to see higher earnings. Your earnings essentially reflect what advertisers are willing to pay you to do their tasks or to get you to visit their site. If an advertiser sees good returns for their commitment, then the advertiser will be prepared to bid higher. Alright, which will increase your earnings on Timebox. All countries can earn on Timebox, but some countries make it harder to earn for certain online surveys, because surveys are written by companies from their country who are asking for customers' opinion on product and services they want to offer, or they need to improve. We have many other options to earn money on Typebox. Check out the videos tab on the Typebox website for different earning activities and opportunities you can utilize. Alright, so like I said before, you can also watch video on this website to make money. You can answer survey question to make money. Survey not available after I start. Alright, let's see what they have to say here. And this will be the last thing we'll read from the frequently asked question. And I said before, you should read the frequently asked question to know how this website works before you jump on it, because it will do you a lot of good to have every information that you need before you start. Alright, so you can know how to maneuver and get higher payment with this platform. Survey not available after I start it. Why do I get messages survey not available? Have you ever gone to a survey and received the message survey not available? You are not alone. This happens a lot of the time, and there is a simple explanation for it. The survey limit is set for a specific numbers of users, for example 1000. When the max limit, for example 1000, is reached, additional users are met with the survey not available message. Unfortunately, this happens often. For example, if the survey requires 1000 users to complete it, the countdown will reduce as users complete it. If 99 people have already completed it and only one more person is required to meet the max, if 5 users have already started the survey, only the first one to finish will be considered complete. The other 4 will be met with survey not available message. Unfortunately, this happens often. If there is a requirement for 1000 users to do a survey, the countdown reduces as the survey are finished. So if 99 other people had all completed it, then only one more is required. If 5 users had already started the survey, only first one to finish will be considered complete. The other 4 would show survey not available as the max of 1000 was reached. I believe this is very self-explanatory. So tell me in the comment section, would you be using any of this website? And also tell me the country you are seeing this video from, so that I can start tailoring my contents to suit your countries and how you can start making money online from your different countries. If you like videos like this, I would advise that you like this video so that you continue to see my videos anytime that I upload them. Also, subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification so that you don't ever miss my videos. Even if this video does not work for you, it doesn't mean one of my future videos will not work for you. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, stay watching my videos so that you can see the one that will work for you and you can start using it to make money. Because I've been making money online since 2020, and up till now I have never for once regret why I started making money online. Alright, see you, God bless, and I will see you in my next video.